Next thing I'm going to do is configure the updates. You'll see that some of it already has been updated automatically. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some rules on when it's going to update. So for the IPS, the intrusion, I'm going to set it to update automatically at 3 AM every Tuesday. I'm going to ask it to also deploy automatically. For the security intelligence feeds, I would like this to be done hourly because so we know that we're getting all the latest updates from Talus. So I'm going to set that up. For the VDB, I'm going to configure that. So that is done weekly as well. I'm going to say Wednesday for this one so that it doesn't conflict with the intrusion rule. And the geolocation, I can just set this up to be daily as well, maybe at 3 AM or 4 AM. I'm just going to save that. So once I've saved all that, the next thing I want to do is deploy all those changes. So I'm just going to go ahead and click deploy now. So if you go to task queue, you'll see that everything that I've just set up is now queued up to run at its appropriate time. So that's how you set up the updates and so that we get to receive the latest security updates and all the other signature definitions, etc.